Hey everyone. So, have you ever wondered how Audi just keeps zooming past the competition on the racetracks? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the fast-paced world of Audi's racing supremacy. First off, let's talk about Kelvin van der Linde and the ABT Sportsline team. These guys are literally the kings of the DTM racing series right now. Imagine being so good that even on a challenging weekend, you're still topping the charts. It's like showing up to a math test unprepared and still acing it, only with faster cars and way more adrenaline. But wait, it gets even better over in China. At the GT Sprint Challenge season opener, Audi didn't just win, they owned the podium. First place, Audi. Second place, Audi. Third place, you guessed it, Audi. It's like they called dibs on all the top spots. Now, Audi's not just playing with fast cars, they're pushing the boundaries with their tech too. The Audi R8, LMS GT3, and GT4, along with the RS3 LMS, are not just regular racers. They're like the sports cars of your wildest dreams, equipped with the latest tech to ensure they're first across the finish line. It's as if Audi has a crystal ball that tells them exactly how to tweak their cars for each race. And it's not just about speed. Audi's commitment to excellence shines through their strategic victories across different continents and racing formats. It's like they've got a winning recipe that works every time anywhere. Kind of like that secret sauce you'd use at every BBQ because you know it'll get the compliments pouring in. Speaking of exhibitions, if you're into seeing these beasts up close, you might want to check out the exhibition in Munich. They've got everything from the Dakar-winning Audi prototype to man's own service truck. It's like the superhero lineup of the automotive world, just waiting for you to take a selfie with them. So, there you have it, folks. Audi is not just playing the game. They're rewriting the rules of racing. From Europe to China, their cars are as unstoppable as a hit movie franchise. Maybe their next model will be called the Fast and the Luxurious. What do you think? Remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more thrilling updates. Till next time, keep your wheels spinning and your engines revving. Catch you on the flip side.